Hello, Physics and Inventor Nation. My name is Nate Larmond, and I'd like to build the Automata project, one part at a time. I had some file management issues my first attempt, so I've started a new project called Automata 2. And I would like a new part. Okay, so we're going to right click, we're going to do a new sketch. I like the XY plane, and where should we start? The bottom of the box, I guess. How about, alright, so I need a rectangle. And I'm measuring the dimensions to be 4.19 by, whoops, 5.19 by 0.23. Now I'm going to extrude. I'm going to extrude this a distance of 4.11. Those dimensions came from. Ooh, that's not right. Oh, 55. No. 5.19. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to hit File, Save As. I'd like a new folder. And I'm going to call it Automata 2 Components. Except I like it. Oh, mercy. So, File, Save As. Inventor. Automata 2. New folder. What are we going to say? Box components. Let's try that. And this is the box bottom. So there you go.